Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is IT of Digital IT's Marketing, and on this video today I'll be showing you how to get a free SSL certificate for your website. Why are SSL certificates important? It is important to be able to rank, is an important factor to be able to rank #1 in Google. So if Google likes you, if Google likes your website, then you're going to be ranking better on Google, which is important for traffic, okay? And for you to be able to get liked by Google, for your website to be able to get liked by Google, one of the important things you need to have is an SSL certificate. That's like a security certificate that will tell Google that your website is secure, okay? And people buy this for a whole lot of money, but today I'm going to show you how to get it free. In previous videos, I've shown you how to create a domain, how to get a domain name for your website using this website Namecheap. Once you type your domain name in here, the one you want, you'll be able to see if it's available or not, and then you can get it and then have an account like this. This is the domain name I created in the previous video, and I also showed you how you can have hosting, because hosting is something else you need, which is what I showed you here with GreenGeeks, with this website called GreenGeeks. For both the domain and the hosting, I'll leave the link in the description, okay? And once you are able to get your hosting through GreenGeeks, a superb hosting platform, GreenGeeks gives you a free SSL certificate that you can install for your website, okay? And how do you do that? Once you go to the website I leave in the description, the website for the GreenGeeks that you see in the description, once you go there, you'll be able to choose the plan that you want for your hosting, and then you'll be able to create a first domain name. Either it's the real domain name you want to use is also good, or you want to get your domain name from Namecheap is also good. But once you get registered for GreenGeeks, you have to create a domain name first. If you don't have any domain name before, or you use your previously owned domain name. Okay, so this is the domain name I got at first, and I'm going to add this new domain that I have, DigitalAitee'sMarketing.com. I'm going to add it to GreenGeeks. Okay, now also I was able to, in the last video, I connected my DigitalAitee'sMarketing.com account to my hosting, to my GreenGeeks hosting, by putting the name server from GreenGeeks onto Namecheap. So I will you'll see it somewhere just up here. I will leave a link to the videos just somewhere up here, so click it before it gets away, and then you can, if you need to see that, and then you can come back to this video. Okay, let's get to business. Today we're talking about SSL certificate. So first, since I've put in my name server, I'm now going to add my domain DigitalAitee'sMarketing to this hosting for real. So the first thing I do is go to this cPanel here. I'm at dashboard. I'm just right here at dashboard. I'll just go to cPanel, and it takes me right here, and I'm just going to go to add on domains right here. And then I'm going to type my new domain name, which is DigitalAitee'sMarketing. So I'll put in the name DigitalAitee'sMarketing, and I have to put a .com. And now this is a valid domain name, and I just have to click on add domain. And we'll wait for it to create, to add the domain. Okay, fine. The domain, as it said, it has now been created. So my domain now exists on my hosting. And now I'm just going to go to the SSL certificate. I'm just going to go back to dashboard on GreenGeeks, and go to security. So I'm going to refresh this page anyway. And now I'm going to go to add SSL certificate right here. Add SSL certificate. I clicked it, said I should select the service. So I'm just going to select this. This is the plan I bought for the hosting. So just select it. And now it says select domain. Let's see if we find our domain. So we can find it right there. Make sure you select the right domain. DigitalAitee'sMarketing.com. I select the domain and I just say continue. Do not worry about this. It says SSL feature. Just choose the free one. That's let's encrypt SSL. And then selected domain, of course, DigitalAitee'sMarketing, the provider, let's encrypt. Then you just click on confirm and create. And then install. It said it has been created successfully. So install SSL certificate. Okay, good. Can you see it says installed? So now it has been installed. You can download them and save the SSL files locally if you want. So that is how to get SSL certificate for your domain. And now your domain can read HTTPS, / column your website name. Okay. So now I'll just show you how to install WordPress. This is also something I wanted to show you on this video. So once you go to dashboard again, go back to dashboard, just go to cPanel. And then now you go to WordPress under Softaculous. Under Softaculous apps installer, you just go right there to WordPress to install WordPress on your domain. So we click on install, and then when it's just go by the default version. When it says choose the version you want to install, just go by the default version. It is usually the highest version. Now choose installation URL, choose the domain. First of all, your protocol. Now you have this HTTPS colon / this is with the SSL certificate. So this is your protocol. This is what you should choose, and then your domain, which is DigitalAitee'sMarketing.com, which I just created. You don't need to put anything in a directory. You can read about it. It's relative to your domain and should not exist, blah blah blah. Okay, now you have to put your site name and site description. These are things you can change later. So I can just decide to put DigitalAitee'sMarketing for my site name. Okay, and my site description, make money online, or how to make money online. These are things you can change later, so don't, when you come to my website later, you can see that it has changed. Now, admin username. So you're going to create an admin username and password that you can use to log into your cPanel and change up things in the background. So when hackers want to hack your account, this is the first thing that they will want to hack: admin. You see, it says admin at DigitalAitee'sMarketing.com. So I advise you change this thing totally from admin. Like, don't just use admin. You can use admin, your name. If I like, I can use, for example, I can decide to use admin digital. I can decide to use admin digital or anything of the sort. So just make sure that you don't just use admin, because this is what is going to be attacked in the first place. Okay. So after you have put your username and your password, and then you have to put an email that can be used to communicate with you. So I suggest you just put your personal email, as in an email not related to this hosting, like, not an admin at DigitalAitee'sMarketing.com or something, just your personal email, that in case there is trouble, with the website, you can be reached on. Okay, so after you have done that, this is essentially what you have to do. It tells you to install something. It gives you the option of installing some themes, but you do not need to worry about that. You can decide to put your email for installation details, but it doesn't matter. Just click on install, and it says this may take 3 to 4 minutes, so we just wait until it has installed. Okay, very good. Now it says congratulations, the software was successfully installed. So this is a link you have to bookmark. See where it says administrative URL. So once you need to log in into your WordPress site, that's your backend, to the backend of your website, to change up things without having to go through the hosting, through cPanel, then you just need this link. Once you click on this link, if I click on this link now, let me open it in a new tab. It's just okay, because I'm not logged out, it just brought me straight. But once you click it, it gives you an opportunity to be able to enter the username you just created now and your password. Okay, the password you also just created, and then it will take you straight to the dashboard of WordPress. So let's just go there. So straight to the dashboard of WordPress. Now it says customize your site. As a bonus for this video, I'm just going to give you plugins you can install. Okay, of course you need to install themes, and first of all you need a plugin for your WordPress, which is security. I mean, security is so much important with online stuff. Okay, so first you just go to plugins, and I'll show you how to install plugins. There are already some default ones, but don't worry about it. Add new. I mean, when you click on add new, I want you to go to search plugins and look for really simple SSL. So once you just type really simple here, you can see the really simple SSL. I want you to install it. Just click on install now, and it will install in a moment, and just click on activate. Yeah, so go ahead, activate SSL. Yes. Now it says 70%, but don't worry, because there's a pro version. So if you get a pro version, it will take you to 100%, but it doesn't mean that you're not secure. So you don't have to worry about it. Now, the other plugin I'm going to show you to install is one that will enable you to add themes through some real good templates. Okay. We also go to add new again. Now you're going to look for starter templates, and once you type starter, it will come up starter templates, Elementor, Gutenberg, and all that. So this is a plugin that will help you with building themes, as in installing themes on your website. Okay, so you click on install now as before, and then you activate again. Activate. So once you have these two plugins, you're ready to go. This video is getting long, so I'm going to shift the next training into the next video. But I would really like your comments. I would really like your feedback. In the next video, I plan to show you how to install Elementor, and I'll also talk a little bit about Thrive Architect, and these are really good templates that you can that you can install on your website and have good looking websites. Okay, and there's also options of buying already made templates. Also, I will also talk about that. So if you want me to talk about this, I want you to leave a comment I want you to leave a comment below. Please let me know your opinion, or let me know what you want in building a website, so that I can make a video about this. Okay, I hope this has been useful for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave your comments as usual, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, so I can bring you more and more trainings. Click on the notification bell so that you can know when I post a video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you again. Bye.